Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, sorry for no updates and no videos lately. I've been very busy. I've been in the process of moving. So yeah, that's going to be taking place very soon. But let's get to this unboxing real quick. So normally I would do a separate videos, but to the simple fact is that I don't have enough time, so it's gonna have to be one unboxing and one. So you already know the deal: bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So even though this is paper, I don't really need the bat knife. We just brought it out anyway. So yeah. So this is what I got, and this also. So I definitely needed this digital ruler right here. I think I need some batteries for this. I'm not completely sure. Yeah. So I needed this because I need to do measurements and stuff like that with some other stuff that I got coming up. And this is basically for my DJI Pocket 3. So let's just unbox this thing. Now I was going to get a different version, but because this one has a magnetic thing to it, like how I use on my Pocket 3, I can actually swap off the piece that I use on my Pocket 3. Actually, that's how I'm using it right now. I do have a clamp on it. If I can show it through my cell phone, I can let you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. So let me just move all my notifications off my phone. So let's just see that reflection. As you can see, Pocket 3 is like right there. Trying to get it up in a way. I'm gonna have to probably wait till my cell phone just cut off, so I can actually show you guys. I'm sorry about that. Okay, there we go. It's back into place. Okay. I want to show you how the reflection. I don't have anything here that's reflective enough so you guys can actually see. But I do have a mount that's on it right now that's hanging on top of the thing. So yeah, so let's get this out the way. I'm just waiting for my phone screen to go off so I can actually show you guys. Actually, I'm talking all that crap and I could actually show y'all. Hold on. Let's just throw the camera on really quick so y'all can see. Okay, here we go. Let's see it. See the Pocket 3 right there? So it's basically a magnet, like right there. See the magnet, like right there? It's right there. So that's how it's hanging on because my whole top part is magnetized. So I'm gonna replace that magnet, that circle part, right? I'm gonna put my finger next to it. This right here, I'm gonna replace that with on this one, with this right here. So I can just go on about like that. And it's hot as hell up in here. So here we go right here. This goes around the neck. Oh, it's like a Stretch Armstrong. Some of y'all's probably too young to even know what a Stretch Armstrong is. It's a toy back in the early 90s that you just stretch it out like that and it comes back to place. So you just pop that into place like that. To release it, you hit it like that. Pop it back on. Then you get this right here. Then you just slide it down like that. And to pop it off, you just hit that button there to release it. So it's down. And it's a magnet. So that's the good thing about it. What do I have that's metal? Oh, my phone. So here's the back of my phone. There you go. Yeah, my ring is dirty. I got to change up the ring on it because this thing goes on and off on different things. So I'm attaching it, removing it backwards and forwards. But yeah, that's the reason why I got this one instead of the other one. Just magnetized like that. And it's good for my camera. It's locked in place. So I don't have to worry about the thing falling. It's like that. And I guess you could flip it anyway. Yeah, you can flip it anyway. Here's this part right here. Lock it into place. And you're good to go. So the good thing about this is that it won't just fall out. You have to actually push the lock. And the lock is right there. So basically it locks in from the bottom into it. And there's two parts into it. Like that. Then you got the strap that goes around it. This goes around your neck and this goes around your waist to keep it more secure to your chest. And we have the digital calculator right here. I'm glad it came with a case and some batteries, so that's the good thing. So I can measure my stuff that I need. I wish it had a spring towards it. Wish it was a spring activated and just press it on and off like that. So I'm gonna insert the batteries and stuff like that, and I can just do everything manually. All right, guys, so that's everything right there. Let's just get this back into place, and we're gonna move this, and I am just gonna get a screenshot of the box. Give me a second, guys. It is very hot in here, and I'm sweating my ass off in here. It just finished thunderstorming, and this room is hot. It's never really hot in here, but it is now. So want that to stay like that. Just push that down a little bit like that. Push that like that. And that's going to be the thumbnail like that. And we're good to go. Alrighty, guys. All right, I'm going to catch you guys in my next video, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Peace.